Alright guys, this is a new sound test of it, and this is also a cold start of my home light RE16. First video cold start of 2015. I'm a bit started up yesterday. May have to It's just a little cold hearted is all, guys. Anyways, that's about it. Surprised it even started. Remember, like I said, it started yesterday. Anyways, this is a quick sound test. I'll see you guys in the next video. Very quickly before I end today's video, I have a question about you guys. I talked to Steer a couple of days ago, which I mean the part for it Monday. But do you know where the best place to get a choke link is for this little stihl here? This little stihl MS 250. It's not the 250C. It's actually a friend of mine's 250. But it has good compression, as you guys can tell. The only thing that I really had a problem with was unloosening the bar nut. See, those things are like tight on there. If you guys know anything about these stihls, let me know. Letterface Slaughter or anyone else who knows about stihl equipment, let me know. So I'll have to get this thing running for them. I mean, I may have to do a tad bit of work on the car, but it does, put a new choke link gets in. Air filter is just fine and everything. I'm not going to go opening this part off because this thing's a pain to put back on. But that's really about it.